Hello guys, so we are having this question in front. So it talks about a circle with center A and inside and having a radius 10, okay? And you have drawn a chord BC in that circle. So in that segment which is shaded, you have drawn another small circle with center O, and that's the largest circle. So it touches this segment BC, the arc, and also the chord BC, okay? It touches the boundaries of the segment. So we have to figure out the red portion of the shaded area, right? And BC's length is given as 10 root 2. Okay. Now, as soon as we see this, the first thing that strikes us is you have 10, you have 10, and you have 10 root 2. So that's a 1 root 2 side ratio. So obviously it's a 45, 45, 90 right angle triangle, right? With these two angles being 45, 45, and this angle being a 90-degree. Okay. Now, once that is done, since we have to figure out this red shaded area, so first let's decide how we will progress. Okay, so what we will target is, first we'll figure out this yellowish full area. Okay, the full yellow area that I'm right now shading. Once that area is determined, from that I will subtract this triangle. Okay, and I will subtract this circle, and what you will be left with will be the red area which we want. Okay, so first let's figure out what is the entire area. So the entire, let's call this sector the yellow sector. Okay, so what is this entire area? So the entire area of the sector is, we know formula is pi times r squared times the angle at the center is 90, the total angle over is 360, right? So it's 25 pi, number one. Now what's the area of this triangle that I had spoken of? That is half base times height. So triangle ABC is half base and height are both 10. You can take as this as the base and this as your height, because after all those two are perpendicular, right? So that's 50. That's number two. And now to figure out the radius of the small circle, so what we do is we join this and extend. Okay, now observe that this line which we have just now drawn is also the radius of the big circle, right? So this blue line is actually 10. Now let's call this point P. Okay, and now for triangle ABC, we know the area is 50, is also half base which we take as BC times the height AP. Okay, so from here we get AP as 50 and 2, so 100 divided by BC, which is 10 root 2. So it's 10 over root 2 or 5 root 2. So we know the length of AP to be 5 root 2. Okay, so if this is Q, so PQ will come out to be the total 10 minus the radius, basically minus AP, which is 5 root 2. Okay, root 2 is 1.4, so this is approximately 10 minus 5 times 1.4, so approximately 3. Okay, so the length of PQ is 3, hence that's the diameter. Therefore the radius of the smaller circle is 1.5, or let's keep it as 3 over 2. Hence the area of the small circle, so that will be pi times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. So that is pi is 3.14 times, or let's keep it in terms of pi itself. So that's basically 9 pi over 4. So we have got 3. So we have got point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3. So the last step is you just need to subtract. So the final part of the answer. So I'm doing it in this space. Okay, so the required answer would be the total area 25 pi minus 50 minus 9 pi over 4. So that's 25 pi. If you take the LCM as 4, so 100 pi minus 9 pi. So that's 91 pi over 4 minus 50. Okay, and we have to mark the option corresponding to that. Hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.